Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so I heard you guys. So this today we'll be having a activity. Not for the module 3 but more on the module 2. No, kung ano most probably kung ano yung uh, ginawa natin na examination nung sa laboratory ng module 2. So I will be giving you an extra activity, no? Extra activity is for for all, no? Open notes, no? You just need to review and then you have to perform ano yung ginawa natin nung examination, okay? For example, dito nag-create tayo ng mga BM, tapos nag-install tayo ng ADDS, or Active Directory Domain Services. Nag-create tayo ng mga ng ng ah what do you call this nag-create tayo ng user account, and then yung BM1 can be able to ping the BM2 gano'n, and also the BM3, ayan. So via host name, no? Tapos we were able to use yung DHCP. Yung DHCP natin is ginamit natin yung ano tawag dito, yung dalawang BM dun sa DHCP natin. Okay, so pinakita natin, in-apply natin yung DHCP. Then file server, nag-create tayo ng file server, naglagay tayo ng quota, and nag-create din tayo nag-add tayo nag-create tayo ng folder, na shared folder, and then accessible ng CSE student and IT student. Okay? We will be doing the same thing. Okay? But at the latter part, you have to explain lahat ng mga ginawa natin. For example, ito yung mga ginawa ko. Nag-create ako ng BM, so ganito mag-create niyan, ganyan. So you're going to discuss it. You're going to discuss it one by one, no? Kung paano mo ba kinonfigure yung ADDS, yung DNS, no? You're going to show me na they are all working, and then you're going to explain me paano ba natin siya kinonfigure. Paano ba siya gumagana? Okay? So, ito, kaya nyo nang gawin to, no? But, yun lang yung twist. I'll be needing you to explain in the latter part of the video. You have to record yung pag-install natin up to dun sa you're going to discuss yung paano ba gumagana itong ginawa nyo. Okay? So why do we need this? O ano yung goal natin? The goal is I want you to discuss, and I want to assess that we know kung ano yung mga ginawa natin during the Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, file server. Okay? Again, let me clarify once again. You're going to perform ano yung perform natin during the examination ng Module 2 for the laboratory. But in the latter part, yung additional lang is you have to explain it. Paano mo ba siya ginawa? Iisa-isahin natin. Pag-create ng BM, up to installation ng ADDS, DNS, DHCP, and file server. Okay? And paano siya gumagana? Alright? Okay. So, this would be our activity for tomorrow. Okay? So, definitely, This is ano din 100 points din siya. Okay, on additional to, we will be pambawi to doon sa first laboratory natin or activity, graded activity natin nung module 2. Okay? All right. Good luck. This would be may window time lang din to, no? I will be setting it um, in the BBL, and then I will be you have to record this, no, and then I will create a bin which you can use to upload and submit yung video, no. Kahit yung video, kahit uploaded na lang siya sa YouTube. Okay? So what you're going to submit is the link nung video na ginawa nyo dun sa YouTube. Okay? So again, kailangan nagsasalita tayo dun sa video, ina-explain nyo kung paano siya gumagana. Okay? Alright. Thank you.